What's up everyone, this is Rahib Ali from DIY Tech, and today we will do unboxing and review of a Bluetooth speaker which is from Xtreme Technologies. So let's do it. This is a mini speaker which comes with different type of colors and textures. So I have got the red one. Let's unbox it and see how it looks and sounds like. Here it's simple box. Inside the box is the speaker itself. It's heavy, not very lightweight, and inside the box there is a 3.5 mm audio jack, aux cable, so you can use this to play music from your cell phone without using the Bluetooth. Also there is a micro USB cable for charging this speaker. You can adjust this rubbery grip, so if you like to carry like this, or maybe you can use it like this. As you can see, it's adjustable. And here are the buttons, and this is the play button, volume and next, and this is the power button and mode button. And here are the micro USB charging port. This is micro SD card slot, so you can put the micro SD card and play music directly from this memory card. Also there is USB port, so you can play music from your USB. This is the aux port. For this cable, you can just put this cable and connect it with your cell phone and play music. This one comes with there are I think two microphones, or maybe one is for the light. Let's turn it on. Okay, so this is the
Bluetooth mode.
As you can see, the sound is quite loud, and this is the LED indicator. There are two microphones for the calling purpose, so you can connect it with your cell phone and make calls. The price of this speaker is around $15. And the quality of this speaker is not very high, but it's average quality. The sound is average. One thing which I didn't like about this speaker is when you put the sound at the maximum volume, the sound is a lot noisy because of the low bass of the speaker. So I would not recommend this if you are thinking to purchase a speaker for your music. This is not a good quality speaker at all. This design is I think copied from JBL speaker. What is your opinion about this speaker? Please write down in the comment box below. If you are new, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.